Hi everyone! Welcome to LutoNiDiana! Today, isi-share ko sa inyo ang unang Noche Buena recipe idea na inihanda ko para sa inyo. Ito ay ang meatloaf with bacon. Mag-share din ako dito sa inyo ng mga affordable putahe na pwede nyo ihanda sa darating na Pasko. Kaya keep on watching!
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. From base to summit, gay and bright, there's only splendor for the sight. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. From base to summit, gay and bright, there's only splendor for the sight. Oh Christmas tree.
So, ayan guys ang ating meatloaf with bacon. Perfect ang pagkaluto. Nagawa ko na to dati guys. Saka matagal ko na itong ginagawa. Lalo na pag Christmas, siniserve namin ito with boiled potatoes at saka ibang veggies at of course with gravy. Syempre pwede nyo ito i-serve with rice. Alam nyo naman tayong mga Pinoy, rice is life sa atin, 'di ba? Meron pala akong gravy recipe, ang link nasa end ng video. Saka if you have any question or any suggestion na recipe na pwede kong gawin para sa inyo, please comment down below. So, that's it guys. I hope you will try this recipe at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated kung may bago akong video. Bye! And happy holidays!